Ever heard a massive clap of thunder and wondered what actually makes that sound? It's not just some random noise in the sky. It all starts with lightning. When a lightning bolt flashes, it's unbelievably hot. I'm talking 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This insane heat instantly makes the air around the lightning channel expand explosively. Imagine a super fast, super hot explosion happening in a long, thin line. This rapid expansion creates a powerful shockwave that travels outward through the air. And that shockwave, when it reaches your ears, is what you hear as thunder. So why does it sometimes rumble for so long? It's because a single lightning bolt can be miles long. You're hearing the sound from different parts of that bolt at slightly different times, creating that classic rolling boom. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this quick science breakdown, give this video a like and subscribe for more short science mysteries. Thanks for watching!